bitch want party with Cardi. Cartier body in a Rari. Diamonds all over my body, shining all over my body. Cardi got your bitch on Molly. Bitch, you ain't gang, you lame. Billy truck laying the lane, blow up the brain. I want.
Hi sweets! How y'all babies doing in 2018? I want to know, of the days that have gone out of 2018 already, how's it been for you? One word to describe it.
It's only my third day out here. I don't know.
Mine is tired. Not even tired. Tired. My body, calm down. Like, I am eternally tired this year. From ever since, but like since 2018, all I can think about is, damn, is it time to go home for me to go sleep yet? But you know, we out here, we can't sleep away our lives. So I wanted to say Happy New Year to each and every one of y'all. And I hope your holiday season went great. I hope you did fun stuff and spent it with family and all of that jazz and all of them nice things. Okay? So in this video, I wanted to share with you guys some of the stuff that I got over the holiday season. Gifts from my friends, from myself. Most of them from myself. But still, you guys know, like, I say all the time, I am a gift giver and I don't ever get anything. Like, I will go all out Christmas and get people presents and I get squat, nothing. You know, Christmas is a season of giving. I get it. But sometimes you want to get. So this year I got. So I just wanted to share some of those things with you guys. So let's get into the video. So before I get into the stuff that I got, I want to point out that this is in no way at all me bragging about things that I got. Like, what me brag about? I'm just so excited that for the first time in maybe 10-15 years, my mother won't hear me, that I actually got gifts over the holiday season. So I just wanted to share them with you guys. Okay? So, I'm not brag. So I really needed like a new laptop. And the laptop that I had were like before YouTube, so that I didn't buy it for the purpose of YouTube. So it wasn't really equipped to do all that major editing and things like that. So I really needed a laptop to help with the editing, you know, one that does stick all the time. So this is the one that I got. And I don't know if the camera can pick this up, but the branding of it is flicking off. I don't know what happened. I don't know what happened, but it happened and it makes me mad, but you know, the laptop still works. So this is an Acer Nitro 5. And this is the laptop. It's huge. It's 15.6. I mean, the laptop that I had before I think was 13, so it was tiny. So this is huge compared to. So this is 8. It has a red keyboard, and then when you plug it in, it lights up. And it's super fast. Like, maybe it's because I'm used to like entry-level laptops, but like homeboy is hella fast, so that's great. So it's really good for editing and all of that. Like, I don't know much about laptops or tech things or anything like that, but like my friend that does, you know, suggested this and I think it's been a really good buy. Like, I've edited a few videos on it and it's like bam, you feels me? So this is the first purchase. Of course, I got this myself. So does this really count as a gift? Yes, it's a gift to me, from me. Thanks God. So this is the first gift. I got a Christmas present with lashes. And like, I wanted to wear them in this video, but I was like, but I need to show you guys, you know what I mean? I need to show you guys. So I got 3. Just take up that one that fell. Oh, let me show you the flyer. So it comes with a flyer for the Lily lashes, and of course Lily Galicia is all over it. Yes. Yes. So the 3 that I got are Miami, Doha, and Mykonos. And if you like follow the page, like these 2 are like the most common ones. Like Miami lashes are like fire. I don't see anybody in them that don't look good. Like, they're amazing. And these are mink lashes. Yeah, so these are all mink lashes, and they're just so nice. Like, let me open up one of them and show you guys. Let me open up Miami and show you guys. Like, they look legitimately like real hairs. Like, they just look so good, and they're so properly made. All the hairs are where they're supposed to be. I mean, each eye is identical. You know, like sometimes you buy lashes and one of them like flare out more than the other. Like, nah, like these lashes are bomb. Can you see? Yeah. So, thanks, Glenna. Like, when Glenna got me these, she said, Mary Winkmas, bitch. And I was like, yes, I get it. Because they're lashes and I'm winking. And in case you didn't get it, you know. So, I'm really excited to wear these. Like, I want somewhere for go. I'm in a business. I can wear them go everywhere. I'm mine. So the next gift I got was from my manager, and I didn't expect a gift from her, obviously, because, you know, like, you know what I mean? But it was so simple and so thoughtful and so me. That's the part that really get me. Like, it's so me. Like, you guys know I live to travel. It's a map. 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 You're mad. Stay mad. Like, this book is so me. Like, it's so chic. It's so adorable. Like, it's like pastel, and it has like the gold rim. Like this book is so me. It's so me. And I like books. Like, I like to write stuff down and all of that. So this was so me. And I got it with a matching cup. So this is a marble cup with the gold rim to match by this. Like, I hope my manager know me. Like, the coordination of this gift was like, oh, thank you so much. Like, I was legit like so excited. So it's marble, blue to match the book, and it says, feed me and tell me I'm pretty. It's me. The cup was made for me. Feed me and then tell me I'm pretty when I gain 10 million pounds from feeding. So the next thing I got was another work gift, and it came in this fancy box. It had a bow and everything, and it was really cute. Like, the packaging on this was so tiny. So in the box, I get a corksicle, and like, everybody knows corksicle, right? I can't. Well, I thought I was gonna take it out, but I can't, obviously. Apparently. So this is like a little tumbler. And of course, you know, you can add hot or cold things to it. And corksicle is super great because, like, when it holds heat, like, it holds cold, like, it works. Like, it's like so efficient. And it came with some, what do you call these? I don't know. So it comes with a wax candle, and it smells amazing. I'm yet to use this, but I think I'm gonna. And it comes with some handmade soap, and it smells so good. And some room and linen spritz. I've never used this, but I smelled it and it was really good. Now, I think this is a Jamaican brand, so I just love this even more. The brand is Laura Alexis. I'm inclined to think it's a Jamaican brand, but all the stuff are Laura Alexis, and they smell so good. So now, my gifts were so versatile. Like, my friends knew me, like, they just understand me. So I got shoes, and I love shoes, and right now I feel like I don't even own shoes, but I love shoes. So the first shoe I got, and I've worn this, so if you see dirt under it, that's why, were these pumps, and these are so me. Like, I saw them and I was like, oh, thanks, Marianne, these are so me. Like, ooh, honey child. Like, even when I tried them on, I was like, I feel so sophisticated. I feel like a woman. But of course, you gotta get you a girl that can do both. So, by day, by night, by night, by day, you know, get you a girl that can do both. So these are, I think these are Nike Air Force Ones mid-level. Or maybe they're just high tops. I don't know if they're mid or high. I don't know, but like, I live for earth tone things. Like look at that against my complexion. I love these shoes. They're so cute. Like, how y'all gonna stop me now? I'm fresh to death. I'm so fresh, I don't even wear shoes on my feet. I wear them on my shoulder. Like, I love these shoes. They're so nice. I got a bunch of watch bands in different colors. And I also have it in navy blue, which is the one that I wear now on a daily basis. I don't even know where the watch is right now. Haha.
That's all.
So yeah. So I have it in navy blue and all these different colors. And I love them. Like, they're just as good as the original band, and they're just nice, and the colors are nice. So I'm gonna be that person now who them match them outfits, because I have enough. I'm gonna use them. Look at that necklace. Ooh, ooh, I should have worn this. It matches my outfit today. I'm on navy blue. I'm a Gladys. Leave me alone. I'm Frightened Friday. I'm not used to getting things, okay? Alright, so the next thing that we're gonna move on to. So I wanted you guys to tell me, like, do I look different in this video or no? Do I look lit or no? Because I should. Because homegirl got a light ring. Oh, like this is the most awesome gift that I got. Like, no lies. Like, all my gifts were great, but this is the most awesome one because. So I got a new 18-inch ring light with a stand. Let me just put that out there right now. So, like, I've been watching my videos, and when I'm like editing them, I'm just like, oh, the lighting keeps on changing. Especially like when I do makeup videos, it's just like a damn, like the lighting literally ruined this video. It's like, ooh, I'm bright, I look good. Ooh, the light dark, now I look orange. Like, ugh. So I'm really excited that I got this ring light, because now my videos can be more consistent lighting. Y'all can see this fleeky makeup. Y'all can see this hairdo. Y'all can catch the snatch on this wig properly. Like, we ready. 2018, y'all gonna be sick of me. Sick of me. So, I got this. Oh, the was falling out, huh? I got this George Foreman grill, which gonna help me to eat them healthy foods, because I'm gonna just grill everything. You know how healthy things are when you grill it? You know how healthy things are when you grill it? I think you removes 42% of fat. Can we just take the 42% off of my body? Thanks so much. So yeah, I'm really excited to start doing meal prep again and using this to make like really awesome grilled meals and all of that. So if you have any recipe ideas, anything like that, you can comment below and let me know, because a girl struggles with the food. A girl struggles with the food. Okay. So yes, I got myself an iPhone 8 Plus. So I had a 6 before, so I've had this like 2.5 years now. 2 years. I've had this for 2 years, so I've had it for a really long time in my estimation. So I got an iPhone 8 Plus, and I decided to get the Plus because I use my phone for everything, like to watch YouTube videos and all that. So I decided to go one up the size because it's a bigger screen, you feels me? And I remember like when initially they came out with the Plus, I was like, ugh, who wants such a big phone? Me, I do. So I got it in white, and my original phone is white. So I got it in white, so I thought the back would have been gold. But with the new versions, it's just the rims that are gold. It's a white phone. Like, it's a tinted white, but it's still a white phone. Alright guys, so those are all of the gifts that I have to show you guys. Those are all the things that I got over this holiday. Thank you to everybody that got me gifts, y'all. Thanks. No lies, like, I feel like I haven't gotten a gift in ages. A Christmas gift, that is. I get birthday presents, that's fine. But Christmas been a lonely one, you know what I mean? Christmas been a, if I don't buy myself something, nobody else will. So I'm really excited. So I just wanted to share those with you guys. Comment below some of the things that you got, or if you're generally like me where you do get nothing. First of all, I want to point out that none of these gifts are from my family. None. None. My sister's in here. That's why I'm saying this. None. Because my family don't buy me nothing. Not even. I don't get birthday presents from my family.
Oh
I don't get.
God, what is wrong with you?
Let me talk, because you don't buy me nothing. I don't get birthday presents from my family. I don't get Christmas presents from my family. I don't get Mother's Day presents from my family. I'm not a mother, but still.
No.
I don't get Valentine's Day presents from my family.
Go to auntie.
Like,
go to auntie. Go to auntie.
Are you talking through it because you don't
go to her. Go hug her.
You said I need to let this hurt go?
That is my gift to you, boo.
But I buy him gifts. This
I
is an
gave you a
expense to me.
nephew. I gave you a nephew.
This was 5 years ago. 5 years ago. And I probably didn't get a present before that either.
Can you tell the people bye?
So anyways, I ain't salty or nothing. I got a bunch of gifts and I'm grateful. What did you get for Christmas, Lainey?
Hot Wheels.
Hot Wheels! Who got you Hot Wheels?
You.
Me! You know why?
Because
Cause I'm an awesome gift giver! Woo!
and you give me a hot and you give me the upper Hot Wheels.
I gave you a bunch of Hot Wheels.
Give me the biggest one.
I gave you the biggest one, right?
Yeah.
Cause Auntie knows how to give gifts, baby. Yeah.
And you got the watches and the phone.
Yeah, look at you. He knows my gifts. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Look out for my 2 uploads a week for 2018. I know we said that in 2017. It didn't go so great. Some days it did, some weeks it didn't. But we out here. It's a new year. We're still trying for 2 videos a week. So thank you guys so much for watching. And I'll see you in the rest of my many uploads. Bye, sweets.